Hey there everyone, it's Karynjean from Ambler Life, and I'm here actually with my grandson swinging next to me. We're just having a really fun weekend here on the grounds of Wissahickon School District. We're at the one of the elementary schools here, and he's swinging a little bit too high right now. But anyway, I wanted to make this video. Hold on a second. Kenny.
Yeah.
Don't swing so high. Slow down. Slow down. If you're a first-time home buyer, even if you're not a first-time home buyer, but you're thinking of buying a home. Now, right now, it's April 2021. Yeah, I know that my hand's a little shaky, but that's because my grandson is swinging. It's April 2021, and if you are thinking of buying a home, do not buy a home, or do not even start the process until you do this one thing. And this is so important, and I cannot tell you how important it is, not only for you, but for your realtor. You must get pre-qualified. It just will save you and your realtor a lot of time and a lot of heartache. Trust me on this one. A lot of homes right now are going for way over asking simply because there are not a lot of homes there on the market. My grandson is over there and he's making faces and he's trying to be funny, trying to get me to laugh. There are not a lot of homes on the market. So a home will go on the market, say at midnight on Tuesday, and it'll say that they want all offers in by Saturday or Sunday, 1 p.m. And when you're submitting an offer on a home, they also want to see your pre-qualification letter from your mortgage company, or they want to see your bank statement if you're going to be offering cash. They're also, most realtors, especially in this area, are asking for something called a BFI, which is a buyer's financial information form. And what this is, it's just a form you fill out and you list what your assets are. It's an asset form, basically. They want to make sure that, in addition to you being pre-qualified for a mortgage, that you also have the money that you're going to need for closing. A lot of people right now, like I said, it's a very competitive market. They're offering for way over asking right now. Can you please stop that? They're offering for way over asking. Houses are going for 10, 20, 30% over asking. And they need to make sure that you're a qualified buyer because the sellers also don't want to waste their time. So before you do anything, sure, find a real estate agent. Any real estate agent, realtor worth their salt is going to ask you, okay, great, I'd love to help you. We would love to help you. It's what we live for. We love helping people find homes. But are you pre-qualified? You may think that you can afford, well, I can afford a mortgage that's like $1,200 a month. Okay, but what kind of down payment do you have? How much house can you afford? You know, the higher a down payment, the lower your mortgage payment is. These are things you need to consider. You also don't want to be house poor. Meaning that, sure, you go to a mortgage broker and they say you can afford a house, let's just say $200,000, and your mortgage payment will be this. Well, you might be able to, they might think that, yeah, you can afford a $200,000 home, but do you think you can afford a $200,000 home? Do you think you can afford a mortgage payment that's going to be like $1,500 or $1,200 or whatever? So these are a lot of things you need to consider. So before you do anything, yes, reach out to your realtor. And your realtor can help you find a mortgage broker if you don't already know somebody. Or your banker, go to your bank or your credit union. Mortgage brokers, I think, have a greater grasp on the situation. And they're not just shopping one mortgage like you would at your bank. They are shopping lots of different types of mortgage lenders to give you the best deal. There are all different kinds of mortgages too. There's VA mortgages if you're a veteran or active duty military, and they come with different criteria. Usually you don't need money for a down payment, things like that. Lower interest rates for the VA. There's FHA loans. There's all kinds of mortgages out there. Talk to a mortgage broker. Get yourself pre-qualified. That way, when you start the process of looking for a home, you know what you can afford. Also, knowing that homes are going for over asking right now. Say you're approved for a $200,000 mortgage, you find a home and it's listed for $190,000. Well, sure, on paper you might be able to afford that home, but that home is not going to sell for $190,000. That home is going to sell for over $200,000, and that's something you need to be aware of too. So, again, this is Karynjean Dickhoff, your realtor from Ambler Life. Having a fun time here on the swings with my grandson. I hope to see you soon.